It's telling that the first presentation on the 2019 Audi A8 mentions horsepower not once, but quotes processing power for the onboard computers multiple times. This car is a technological powerhouse, with more features and driving aids than ever before. In fact, there are so many gadgets I've broken some of the coolest ones out in a separate story. Yet the Audi is also designed to be so comfy, quiet, and easy to live with that a discussion of engine specs feels, well, almost like an afterthought. As a result, the new A8 is a superlative luxury machine in every respect. You may want to rant online that the design is evolutionary, but in person the 2019 Audi A8 is clearly all new. Even on paper, everything has changed. It has grown by 1.5 inches in length, 0.2 inches in wheelbase, and 0.7 inches in height. It now rides upon a version of the Volkswagen Group's ML-Bevo modular platform, also used for Bentley Bentayga and Porsche Panamera. 58% of the body is made from aluminum, with the rest made from high-strength steel, magnesium, and carbon fiber. Body rigidity has improved by 24% versus the old model. Visually, the A8 is a stunner, if not the most beautiful large sedan you can find, certainly one of the most striking. Tight radiused creases inject energy into the sheet metal, and the nose is more aggressive than ever, with a big single-frame grille perched between the headlights. As is so en vogue, designers endeavored to make the silhouette as coupe-like as possible, stretching out the rear window in a bid for both style and aerodynamics. Behind that you'll note a smart trunk decorated with dazzling OLED illumination across its width. Wheel sizes from 17 to 21 inches in diameter are offered. The total package just plain works, and the A8 makes as strong an impression in dense traffic as it does on an auto show display. Move inside and it's clear an equal level of attention was paid to every surface you see and touch. Audi's virtual cockpit full-color display presents a bounty of information behind the steering wheel. Most physical switches save for a handful like the volume, tuning, drive mode, and parking camera buttons have been excised, leaving a sleek and futuristic console. All the climate controls have been digitized and now occupy an 8.6-inch touchscreen, while a crisp 10.1-inch display handles all infotainment duties. Ambient lighting, plus optional open-pore wood and various colors of suede and leather, adorn the chic door cards. With a relatively low cowl and the spacious design, the cabin presents a light, airy sensation. The standard model will be labeled 55 TFSI under Audi's controversial new naming scheme. It has a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, with a hot V designed to reduce turbo lag, and the B-cycle valve timing also used on the new VW Tiguan's engine to promote efficiency. Total ratings are 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, or gains of 7 HP and 44 lb-ft versus the old A8's base engine. Audi predicts the sprint to 62 miles per hour will take 5.7 seconds. Like all of the new A8's powertrains, the engine is a mild hybrid. In place of a traditional alternator is what's called a belt alternator starter, which is connected to a small 48-volt lithium-ion battery in the trunk. Cold starts are still affected by a ring-pinion starter motor, but once the engine is warmed up, the BAS can start the engine more quickly and more smoothly, making stop-start activations almost unnoticeable. As a hybrid, the BAS contributes 8 to 13 HP, 6 to 10 kilowatts, of extra power to the engine under acceleration and can recuperate up to 16 HP, 12 kilowatts, back to the battery under braking. The 2019 Audi A8 will reach European customers by the end of this year but won't make it to the US until fall 2018 in V6 trim only, with the V8 to follow later. It's way too early for official pricing, though it's fair to guess at an increase of a few $1,000s over last year's model, which started at $83,450 after destination. As is the case with its rivals, the A8 will be offered only in long wheelbase configuration in the US. The take rate for short wheelbase sedans in this class was negligible. The Audi goes head-to-head with the refreshed Mercedes S-Class and the BMW 7 Series in the near $100K sedan realm. The A8 comes to the table with a stylish body, a gorgeous cabin, technology in spades, and a supremely likable driving demeanor. But we'll have to drive all three back-to-back, or rather, be chauffeured in them to be able to definitively pick which is the most sublime German luxury sedan. That said, it's easy to be smitten with the A8. It looks like modern art, its cabin is as stylish as a high-end hotel, it makes driving a pleasure, its technologies solve problems you didn't know you had, and it nestles passengers in first-class comfort. In every way, the 2019 Audi A8 resets the bar for what we must expect from a luxury car.